Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, you're welcome, and please, if you like what you're seeing, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to follow me on all other social media platforms as well. So today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a soft, fluffy cheese loaf bread. I know I've been showing you like all different types of bread of recent, but why not? Bread is life. Jesus is bread of life. So yeah, bread is life. Remember that joke on TikTok? I don't know if any one of you have seen that joke. Anyways, so yeah, today I'm showing you how to make this. Let's go. So this is all the ingredients we're going to need to make this super delicious loaf. We need flours, of course. What can we do with flour? Can we have enough of flour? No. Yeah, so we need flour, we need yeast, we need one egg, and we need milk. You can use any type of milk that you have. You can use fresh milk, your regular, if it's powdered milk mixed with water, you can use that. You can use almond milk, you can use anything. Actually, I used coconut milk for this because that's what I felt like having when I made this bread. So yeah, I use coconut milk. So you guys can use any milk of your choice. It's still gonna give you the same result. All we want is to have that fluffy delicious bread. So we need the egg, we need yeast, we need salt, we need sugar, we need cream cheese, we need the milk, we need butter, and yeah, basically that's all we need. Now I'm showing you how to mix everything together. Try to make a little bit of well in the middle of your flour so that it'll be easy to incorporate the flour from bottom up. So yeah, I did that, and now I'm going to add my cream cheese. Guys, sometimes when you want to do stuff like this, try to first add all your dry ingredients so it's easy to incorporate them properly. Then after your dry ingredients, you add your the wet ones together. So now I just added my milk, my coconut milk. Like I said, you can use any milk of your choice. Does not make any difference really. So make sure you mix. Sometimes if you know that using any spatula does not work for you, you can use your hand. You're gonna use me at some point. I'm going to be using my hand because yeah, what's the best instrument that we have? The most reliable one is our hands, right? So now I'm just incorporating all the ingredients together, and then we have to cover it for about 20 minutes or 10 minutes just for the flour to rest before we now add our butter. And see the magic of internet. So the flour is rested for about 20 minutes. Now I'm just adding the butter. I didn't quite wait enough time for the butter to really get soft because I'm in a hurry. So but I incorporated it properly when I was kneading it on the counter. So I'm just adding the butter here, as you can see. Yeah, that's it, it's all done. So now we put it on the counter to knead it a little bit, not so much. And if you have hand mixer, you can use that as well. If you want to use the real mixer as well, you can use that, but I just use my hand on the counter to knead it a little bit. Now we put it, see, it's already rising. That's how you know if you have a real good yeast on your flour. So put it in a bowl, put some olive oil or whatever oil you have, it does not matter really. But so put the oil just a little bit, just to grease the bowl and to grease your flour to prevent sticking when it's done. Let it rise for about an hour, or as long as you can see that it has doubled in size. Then you punch down the hair to make sure there's no hair trapped in the flour. Now we put it on the counter all over again and roll it with a rolling rolling pin. I don't know if you guys have, if you have a rolling pin or whatever that can help you to roll it. I think rolling pin is the best one to use. So roll it out, divide it into 3, and yeah, you see why I said divide it into 3. I try to put a little bit of flour on my knife to prevent sticking. So now I just divided it into 3. Then I take the one part, roll it. Remember, don't put a lot of flours to prevent hard bread. You don't want your bread to be really hard. So to prevent that, you have to make sure you use very small amount of flour on the counter or on the pan. So I'm just rolling it out right now. So after rolling, then we start folding. See how smooth this batch is? That's what you want, guys. You see, this is what it looks like before, you know. So we start folding, fold it. Remember, this is only one part. We have 2 other dough to roll. This is the first one. So fold it, fold. Then make sure you pinch the edges. I mean the end parts. Pinch it together to prevent opening up. So then we cut it into. You can cut it to as many pieces as you want, but I think I cut this into 11 or 10 because I actually gonna be using the big pan. So cut it. So put it in your pan. I've already lined my pan with parchment paper. So put your dough in the pan and let it continue to rest. Now I'm gonna shut up a little bit so that I can speed the process up and finish up on the other 2 doughs that we still have to work on. Like I said, guys, yeah, so if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, it's okay, you can ask me. I always answer. I always respond to your comment, because why not? I'm appreciative of what you guys are doing, helping the ministry. So guys, I really appreciate you to subscribe, and when you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the bell so that you know when next I'm dropping a new video, and so you can be the first person to know that, you know, so that you will be the first person to see the video. Also guys, don't forget that your suggestions are welcome, and comments are welcome. And yeah, so basically this is the last portion of the dough that I'm doing, and I'm just working it into the pan to make sure everything is perfect. Now we're done. The magic of internet. I'm gonna cover it for another 30 to 40 minutes to double in size again, because it's always good to allow your doughs to rest. The better, when they rest, is better. So now we're gonna wash it with eggs. I mix the egg, instead of water, I mix it with milk. So you can do your egg wash with either egg and water, or just the egg, or egg and milk. It's up to you really, but I use milk and egg this time around. And this is it, guys. This is the end product. How do you like it? Isn't it beautiful? And it's so soft too. My kids actually finished one loaf like in a very small time. Yeah, see how soft. It's very hot. Like I said, I was in a hurry. I really wanted to leave the house because I have somewhere that I had to go to, so I couldn't wait. See how beautiful that looks. So guys, give this a try. Let me know what you guys think. If you have questions, please ask me. And thank you so much for joining me today. Until next time, my name is Nico. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.